How hard can it be to start again? First of all, there's the heat wave. Second, I cleaned everything up before the wedding, and now I have to bring everything outside again. Of course, in all the euphoria of the last round, thinking I did everything, it's like a mental thing. I don't know how many times I looked at it, telling myself, don't forget this piece. Good. Right. Oh man, it's strange heat. Ay, ay, ay. yeah, that is the stuff that I have left. So one bathroom I can fit for sure. Tiles for the floor, not enough. And probably I also need some of those white tiles. Doesn't seem to be enough either. Oh, so hot. Heat wave in Europe. Ah, impossible to work. Of course, last week we had a big event, the wedding. Too many people for me, really. I have to say that the bride, she was a very good organizer, so it was a smooth operation. But way too many people. I've got a playbook, so if I want to do it again, I know what to do and how to organize it. Took me 2 days to clean up everything, and there's still some things left. So, I don't know. Didn't do a lot. Cleaned up before, cleaned up afterwards. Floor, I have to finish, clean it. Make a calculation for all the tiles that I need. Start plastering the walls inside. Check with the guy for my doors and windows. I touched them, so they are in the last stage. I actually think I can, probably finish the works in the coming weeks. It's only work inside, tiling, plastering. Will depend a little bit on the time I have to wait for the tiles to be delivered. That's nice. After we can decorate, put electricity wires. That would be really nice. And then there are leftovers to consider. But I'm looking forward to finishing everything upstairs here. And after that I'm gonna be working on my own cabin. That's gonna be my future house for sure. I'm gonna tell you more about it later. Oh yeah, there's one thing. I think I made a lot of small videos, shorts, etc. last year when I was doing my website, and I reorganized the channel because I had a lot of playlists, and basically now I have one playlist renovation and one playlist will be more or less to show a little bit the property, etc, etc. Impressions it's called now. Alright, so if you see any other videos coming, maybe next week there will be another one somewhere in between about the wedding, because I promised them that I would make a video. Then that is gonna be the playlist impressions, and the renovation videos, they just have a number. Alright. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you again next week. Ciao. That floor. I think I'm gonna get on my knees again. If you think about how often you get on your knees, I must have been married 1,000 times by now. Oh, basta.